In this video, we're going to show you how to link GetResponse with ClickFunnels so you can automate your email marketing while building powerful sales funnels. Stick around till the end because we're not just showing you how to link these two platforms, we'll also be diving into how they measure up to each other and highlighting some great alternatives that might actually serve you better. Let's get started. First thing, you'll need accounts with both GetResponse and ClickFunnels. If you haven't already created accounts, you can find the links in the description below. Once you're set up with both platforms, we'll go over how to integrate them seamlessly. Next thing, in your GetResponse account, head to the Integration section. This can be found under your account settings. Once there, click on Integration and then select ClickFunnels. GetResponse will ask you to log in to ClickFunnels and grant access to connect the two accounts. This process is pretty straightforward, and once you authorize the connection, your accounts will be linked. Now that your accounts are connected, let's talk about how this works in action. The whole point of this integration is to capture leads and send them into your email sequences automatically. When a user fills out a form on your ClickFunnels page, their information will automatically populate in your GetResponse account, and they'll be added to your email list. You can then set up automated workflows within GetResponse to send them follow-up emails, nurture sequences, or even special offers. The fourth thing to keep in mind is making sure your funnels are properly connected to your GetResponse email lists. In ClickFunnels, when you're setting up a funnel, you need to ensure the form is connected to the GetResponse list you want your leads to go into. This step is crucial if you want to ensure the right people get the right messages. Once you've done that, test the entire setup. This is something many people overlook. It's important to actually submit a test form through your ClickFunnels funnel and check that the lead shows up in your GetResponse list. If it doesn't, double-check your integration settings to make sure everything is working as expected. Now, while GetResponse and ClickFunnels do work together well in many areas, it's not perfect. GetResponse is known for being a solid email marketing tool, but its funnel building capabilities don't quite match up to ClickFunnels' offerings. ClickFunnels, on the other hand, is unbeatable when it comes to building sales funnels, but falls short in its email marketing automation features when compared to other tools. So, here's the deal. Although GetResponse is a solid choice for email marketing, it's not the only option out there. If you're looking for something that seamlessly blends funnel building and email marketing, I've got something better for you. There's an alternative that integrates these two features much more smoothly. Before I wrap up, don't forget about the exclusive free trial I've mentioned in the description. By using our link, you'll get access to the best deal on GetResponse, but I've also included links to some incredible alternatives that might serve your needs better if funnel building and email automation are your top priority. These alternatives also come with free trials, so you can test them risk-free. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the links below for your exclusive offers.